Good morning. My name is J.B. Dr. Vishal Saxena, and today I am going to take a lecture on the module methodology and limitations of operation research. This is the topic from the operation research subject, and it is studied in the course or program BBA BBLLB 6th semester. So first we take the methodology of operation research. Quantitative basis for decision making is provided to managers by operation research. It enhances a manager's ability to make long range plans and to solve routine problems of running enterprise or the concern. Operation research is a systematic and logical approach to provide a rational footing for taking decisions. Operation research, like scientific research, is based on scientific methodology which involves following steps. So first part of the first topic of the methodology of operation research is formulating the problem. It is very important. Operation research is a research into the operation of a man, machine, organization, and must consider the economics of the operation. So in formulating a problem for operation research study, analysis must be made of the following major components. So that means for the formulation of the problem, what are the required components here? The first component is the environment, second is the objectives, the third is the decision maker, and fourth is the alternative courses of action and constraints. Second component is here, second point of the methodology is here, constructing a model to represent the system under the study. So once the project is approved by the management, the next step is to construct a model for the system under study. The operation researcher can now construct the model to show the relations and interrelations between a cause and effect or between an action and a reaction. So that means in this step a construction is required here for the model, constructing a model to represent the system under the study. So means a model is required for the system here, and its study is required. The third point of the methodology is here, deriving the solution from the model. So in this here step we find the solution for the model. A solution may be extracted from a model either by conducting experiments on it, that is by simulation or by mathematical analysis. No model will work appropriately if the data is not appropriate. So it means if data are not appropriate, then no model will work properly. So it means such information may be available from the results of experiments. So the information or the data we are using should be correct here. Testing, fourth point for the methodology is here, the testing the model and the solution derived from it. So now in this step we will test the model and the solution derived from it. As has been pointed out earlier, a model is never a perfect representation of reality. As we all know that here, the model is not 100% for the reality here, but if properly formulated and correctly manipulated, it may be useful in predicting the effect of changes in control variables on overall system effectiveness. So it means when we make a model or when we find a solution here, then it should be correctly manipulated, and the formulation of the problem must be very important and it should be done very properly. The fifth point of the teaching of the methodology is establishing controls over the solution. The next phase for the operation researcher is to explain his findings to the management. and it may be pointed out that he should specify those conditions under which the solution can be utilized. It is important point here, because what are the conditions under which the solution may exist here, that is important to put forward to the management here. So this point is here, establishing controls over the solution. Now the sixth point for the methodology of operation research is implementation of the solution. The last phase of the operation research methodology is implementation of solutions obtained in the previous steps. In operation research, although decision making is scientific, but its implementation involves so many behavioral issues. Therefore, the implementing authority has to resolve the behavioral issues. He has to sell the idea of utility of operation research not only to the workers but also to the superiors. So this is the point of implementation of the solution, and it is very important. Now we take the limitations of operation research. So definitely operation research subject, which is very useful in the business and for other industries here, has some definitely limitations. So what are the limitations? Today we take the first is here, dependence on an electronic computer. So OR, which is also known as operation research techniques, try to find out an optimal solution taking into account all the factors. In the modern society, these factors are numerous, and expressing them in the quantity and establishing relationship among these require voluminous calculations that can also be handled by computers, because the calculations are very lengthy, and definitely it demands here computers. So that is the limitation of the operation research. To make calculations, an electronic computer is required there. Second is here, non-quantifiable factors. Operation research techniques provide a solution only when all the elements related to a problem can be quantified, or relevant variables do not lend themselves to quantifications. Factors that cannot be quantified find no place in operation models. So it means the factors which are quantified are important for the study of operation research. Now the next point for the limitations of operation research is the distance between manager and the operations researcher. Operation research, being a specialist job, requires a mathematician or a statistician who might not be aware of the business problems. Similarly, a manager fails to understand the complex working of operation research. Thus, there is a gap between the two. So it means the mathematician and the managers having a gap, and due to which a problem is created in the application of operation research. So next point is here, money and time cost. When the basic data are subjected to frequent changes, incorporating them into operation research models is a costly affair. Moreover, a fairly good solution at present may be more desirable than a perfect operation research solution available after some time. Next is implementation. Implementation of decisions is a delicate task. It must take into account the complexities of human relations and behavior. So this is the last point of the limitation and the methodology of the operation research. So today we have seen the steps and the points of the limitations and the methodologies of operation research. In methodology we have seen here the different points here, from the formulation to model here, how to construction of a model and implementation and to getting the solution, These are the important points here, and limitations here, like implementation, money and time cost, distance between manager and the researcher, and the electronic computer, the compulsion of electronic computer. These are the limitations of the chapter here, the topic. So with this here, but operation research still is very important in the different business areas, in medical areas, in engineering field, and in other fields here. So with this here, we conclude our topic. Thank you.